I want to bring to the notice of this House and to the notice of Honorable Minister. Tar River, ji asa, Speaker Sir, is one of the tributaries of River Mandavi. It originates from jungle of Dumashe and Amtane, and it flows via Mapsa, Giri, मध्ये Sukur का Penn de France to जाऊन it drains into the Mandavi River. This river is considered to be a very sacred river. Especially during Ganesh Chaturthi and other festivals, the idols are immersed. People even have bath in this particular river. Residents of Giri, particularly during one Gram Sabha, raised this issue that they have seen a layer on the river, on the river, and there was anxiety in the minds of the people, of the residents of Giri. So I went into depth of this to find out that Mapsa, being the largest town on this bank of the river, the entire sewage is discharged right from Ekta Nagar, Mapsa, to Kholi, to Gandhi Chowk and Market, discharges the sewage or the wastewater into the drains, which then connects to the Tar River, severely contaminating and polluting the river. The shops and the residents also, the restaurants also, further add to the pollution. The water of this particular river has started turning black. Now, Mapsa and surrounding area sewage soglo ya itun bitor drain jata. And now soon we will have the Ganesh festival again. So I request the Honorable Minister to take immediate action. Ata Honorable Minister, ya disani we've seen him a lot on the newspapers and television, visiting places. I request, I magta tejagade ki ye river tani gon poche, along with the officials of the health department or health minister if possible, should visit this, and Mapsa city, Speaker Sir, needs maka is the proper drainage system te jawpak jay, and it is a densely populated area, samki thick population asa, a lot of commercial activities, lot of shops, restaurants, other establishments are there. आणि म्हाका दिसता हे जावपाक जाय.
Article 48 जशें म्हाका जयेशान सांगलें, it is the duty of the government. There are lot of articles which I can also tell you that it is duty of the people to see that they don't do it. So please refer to those articles before telling me what is the role of the government. If the role of the government is taken into seriousness, but to me as MLA will only come and tell us not to do it. So if you want to take it as serious, then we'll constitute and we'll start working very seriously in stopping. And anyhow, आमचे NIOG, we have given the work which they are finding what is the source of sewage to all the Goa rivers. That report will be given by NIOG. The work is going to start simultaneously. And we will see that all these loopholes, so wherever the sewage is coming, will be plugged, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, ending only aane ko monung sakta, Speaker Sir, that it is not only the responsibility of the department. Government is of the people, and it is also the people's responsibility. And I think NGOs, we should be socially active to stop such nuisance happening in our vicinity. So I request all members that they should form their own teams and stop this sewage going into it. But whatever government needs to be done, we will do it, Speaker Sir.